Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jame. This is my jam. And today is my jam. It's kind of like a look what I got. I can't wait to show you what I got kind of video. I got a few new things. I got some viewer friendship mail. I got some other things.
So it's a hodgepodge.
It is. It really is. And I guess I'll kind of just get right into it. The first is something that I think will put Winnie BLV on the list for you. It's not a handbag.
I don't know what it is.
But, oh God, I have, if you look at my feet right now, my pink Cortez Nikes on. And I have a pair of green Nikes. And I have a green suede pair.
So how many can you wear at one time?
One. And then Winnie showed these. So then I had to wear them. They're the green and pink together.
Winnie, I thought we had an understanding.
I was almost going to wear one of my green ones with one of my pink ones, but now I don't have to. I can just wear, don't roll your eyes, I can just wear these. So I got these. These are the most comfortable shoes ever. I'm not kidding. They're so nice. I love these. I do have a few more pair besides the pink and the greens. But
we're going to call her Imelda.
Oh no, I don't have that many. I do have, let's see, I got a red and white and blue and white. I have a few other ones. But these are super comfortable. So I got those. Let's see, what else should I show? Okay, I have some Popmart items coming. I was able to get the Pure Energy, one of their drops, and I didn't want to buy too many, so I bought 3. But they're not coming till September. So in the meantime, I got another Skullpanda one, little bag charm, and this is the one that is right on the front. I got her. I can take it out of a little plastic and show you.
How can she breathe?
It's only partially over
there.
Excuse me. So here's her. So
dress is up in the air.
Yeah, it is.
What's going on?
She's flashing a little bit.
Showing us some fur.
Yeah. So she's super soft and cute. So I got to decide what bag I'm going to put her on yet. I'm thinking maybe a black one. Look at her little feet. You know, she'd probably go perfect on my little Fendi. Let me get it out.
Seriously, fix that dress.
Okay, I'll work on it. But look at, won't she go cute on here?
She will.
She will. So she'll go on here. That's where she's going to go. Okay. So I got that. Then I was looking around at Amazon, and they had some other blind box things. So I picked up a couple things. They had little Animal Crossing ones. You can only get 5. There's 5 different ones. So I bought 2. And I got these little bag charms that I'll put. I love Animal Crossing. I play Animal Crossing. And so I got these. They're little charms. I'm going to put them on better chains so that I can wear them on my bags. But I got this cute little squirrel and this little girl.
That's very apropos for you.
I should know their names,
Squirrel!
But I don't. Stop it. So then I saw another blind box that I have seen people open on other channels and stuff. But
why are you always picking on the blind?
Lulu the piggy.
Oh, Lord.
So there's all these choices. Look at you can get. There's all these. Whoops. And then there's these as well. So I have no idea what I got. This it just was from Amazon. So it's not a Popmart thing. From Toy Zero. So let's see what little piggy I got.
Hopefully the one that went to the market.
Good. The sticker's upside down. So if it did show which one I got, I wouldn't know still. Good. Oh, look at this. I got the lavender one. It goes so perfect in my room. Oh my gosh.
Should I show everybody your room?
No. Not right now. Here we go. So, and they're little, you can use them little bag charms. Look at.
Lord.
Oh, look at it.
So it's a piggy inside a bear costume?
Yes. Oh. What's her name? Let's see. It's got to be this one. Oh boy, you should see me try something Teddy. Romantic Teddy. I got the romantic Teddy.
Nothing speaks romance like a pig in a bear outfit.
Right? Oh, that is cute. See, these are really cute, and they're not nearly as expensive as the Popmart ones. So, oh, I should check. There's a sticker. See if shows what kind it is. It does. So it said romantic Teddy on it, but at least I didn't see it. It was upside down, so I didn't know. So I was a big surprise. So, all right. And since we're speaking of bag charms still, I did purchase one item here. From Burberry. All right, I got this crazy little bag charm. It's like a little birdie, but it needs some loving, I think.
What the hell is that?
It's a little bird, and it says Burberry on it. So I got this little bag charm. It's my little Burberry bag charm. So I just liked all the colors. You got the black and the pink and the blue and the orange. So it's probably going to go on one of my orange bags. Lavender, black and blue again. Fly, be free, little birdie. It's got really substantial, like, hardware on it. It's even got a little tag here. It says Burberry on it. So, yeah, I just thought it was really cute, so I got it. Everyone's getting these weird-looking bag charms.
That would qualify as weird.
Yeah, right? I kind of liked it from my orange Celine, but actually I think it might go on my Louis Vuitton orange Marley up there. Just so the orange little nose stands out, the beak. I got that. Okay, don't worry, we're almost done. Then, what I wanted to, well, kind of almost done, I got some mail. And this is from, and I apologize, I'm not sure if, I believe it's Rhiannon. I don't know how to pronounce your name, but she sent me the nicest things and the nicest notes, and I agree. I think we could be friends if we were by each other. These are so thoughtful. I opened them already because I had to. She got me this like little Alma in the neon orange because she knew I'd love it. And this, well, it holds. I kind of got everything in the bag here.
We see that.
These, and there's some of those little magnetic feet that you can use on your bag. So I thought that we would try these together. There's one bag in particular I wanted to use them on or try them on and see if they'll work. I'm not sure if they will or not, but I wanted to try it on this bag I just showed. So we're going to do that in just a minute, see how they work. Might be too thick. I don't know. I don't know how strong these magnets are, but otherwise you can store them in here, and I just love this. She like knows me so well. She's like, I knew you'd like the neon orange, and she was 100% right. I just absolutely adore this. And then I wanted something from this like set for so long. She loves Kate Spade, and she got me this. I will open it already because, you know, I'm like a kid at Christmas. I have to open everything. But it's just this like little coin purse, and it's from Kate Spade. And it's like fruit striped gum, which I just absolutely love. So here's the back and the front, and I just love it. My Kate Spade, one of my Kate Spade's bags is kind of an off-white. It's pretty hard to see because it's down here. You probably can't see it. And that's a Kate Spade bag too. But this will go perfect on one of my Kate Spade bags or with one of my Kate Spade bags. And then it's got, I'm going I didn't open it all the way.
No, because why would you do that?
Just most of the way. Because look at it. It's got a little tiny, like a piece of gum. It's like Bubblicious. Oh, does anyone remember Bubblicious or...
Hubba Bubba.
No, Sugarloaf. Oh, Sugarloaf was the best. But it was just like Fruit Stripe, where you chewed it for a little bit and then it was gone. And you just had this big old wad in your mouth. Yeah, Hubba Bubba and
Bubblicious.
Bubblicious were good. Oh, strawberry Bubblicious. But Sugarloaf, and then people started saying spider eggs were in it, and then no one wanted to chew it anymore. But the little pieces of like Hubba Bubba or Bubblicious looked just like this. This is so cute. So now we're gonna try this because people have told me about these little magnetic feet you can get for your bags and use them when your bags don't have feet. So we're gonna try one here, or
try not to drop them.
Well, they should stick together. Okay, so I'm not 100% sure how you do this, so I'm gonna
probably just do one at a time.
Well, yeah, I'm not. They click together.
Click, click.
So let's see. I put this in here, maybe down there, and then oh, it's sliding. I suppose it wouldn't until it's got. So, oh, you can do that magic trick where you slide things around the table. Oh, yeah, it's grabbing it right away.
One down, 3 to go.
Oh my gosh, this is super cool. This one. This side. It's so cool because you can move them wherever you want to put them. So like, put one there and one there. That looks pretty lined up, right? These are going to stay on here. Just so you know, I'm just going to have to buy more of these. Because this is cool. And I wish I could show you better how this grabs. Well, maybe
it seems
I
like
can.
a pretty strong magnet.
It is. Let's see. I'm going to hold this one here. And now you can see that, right? And then...
Yeah.
Except for I don't want it upside down. Okay, do I have this the wrong way? There. Okay. But like...
It's magic.
Why is it making that noise? Oh, because it's moving and jumping. I get it. Look at this. This bag is so pretty. Okay. Let's see. Now I gotta do this the right way this time. So, put it down here. It's sticking to the other magnet in there. There we go. Okay, that's pretty cool. And then it looks like this inside the bag. So I wonder, like, if this got moved around, what would happen? Looks like it'll just...
It just travels.
It just, yeah. Because that was the other fear I had. Like, what if you know, move these in your purse?
That's pretty cool.
Thank you. I love that. Now I got to find out where these are from. And I think she tells me in my thing.
Yeah, she wrote cool. Really nice letters, too.
Oh, they're so nice. Oh, every one. She wrote me one with each thing. And, oh, my gosh. I was like over the moon. Mick was just like, you get so excited. I'm like, I know. But this is so cool. And this couldn't have come at a better time. Because talk about a bag that really needs feet being patent leather like this. Look at how perfect they look on there. I mean, it's like it was meant to be. It's like she knew. this is so nice. I mean, everything. Thank you so much. I can't. I say it over and over and over, and I'll continue to say it. The people, the YouTube thing. I know, like, Dawn and Eva and Dee Dee just all recently did a thing about, like, what we get paid on YouTube. And we're all really close in the same realm. So, obviously, we all make about the same amount. And clearly, I mean, it definitely is a labor of love. We're certainly not doing this because we think that we're going to somehow get rich and, you know, go, we're going to go viral when there's tons and tons of other handbag channels out there. But no, the reason I started doing it myself is because I just wanted to meet people that understood what these bags mean to me. And along the way, I've just met just some incredible people and so many kind people. It's just, it's incredible. It's just incredible. I thank you guys always when you leave me comments, and I love responding to them, and it just means the world to me. I just, in fact, someone was telling me in the comments the other day that they use tags in their bags, their handbags, to track them. And I'm like, oh, do you have any recommendations? And I get up this morning and immediately I have an email asking me or telling me who they recommend for tagging bags. And it just, I know I like to help too. I mean, someone asked me where my bracelets came from and I responded to them. And of course, I'll always want to respond, but I just love that everybody shares. And it's not like, and even like, you know, there are some people that I obviously have side relationships with, but like everybody tells everybody else when they find a great deal, when they find a great sale, when, I mean, just so many things when they could just keep it to themselves and be the only one to buy the item so they can show it and they can do whatever, but there's just none of that. It's just, I don't know. We're just a great group of people, guys. We just all are, just so you know. So give yourselves all a big hug, because just okay, another point, case in point, I put out my book video this week, and don't feel bad if you didn't watch it. I know you guys aren't here for my books, but Chris, subscriber, and I also subscribe to his channel, he watched my book video and private messaged me to ask if I was okay, because I got 2 shots on Wednesday, the pneumonia shot and a COVID booster, and I was sick as could be that night, and then the next day I was miserable up until late afternoon, and by that point I was taking ibuprofen and acetaminophen alternating, because that shot just, woo, my arm's still sore. I got a red spot on it, but just, it's just unbelievable, just the kindness of everybody here. So just such an awesome group. So when I get some fun things, I want to show you. So that's my video for you today. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. Trying really hard to hit that 3,000 mark. And I do put out videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays in regards to handbags and small leather goods, both contemporary and luxury. I do a bag swap video on Monday nights where I switch from one bag to the next bag, and I give a little bit of information about both and about the small leather goods, which I also switch out. Every other Thursday, I do a book-related video. And then you can always find me on Instagram at James Jam as well. It's just JAME_S_Jam. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching.
So, with me being gone this next week for work, you should have plenty of time to clean this.
Hush, don't you dare.